Yeah, enjoyed it immensely, to be fair. Yeah, it's been great. A lot better than I expected. I must admit, I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was. The group of lads is, the great team spirit. Always helps that you're winning, I think. But yeah, no, it's been a good, refreshing kind of decision, really. And I think it's been a good start, and hopefully we can continue and push on now. I'd have to say Llandudno away, beating them 2-0 with 10 men. It was a top of the table clash at the time against my old mate Sean Eardley, so we knew we were going to be up against it. It was going to be a tough game, but I thought we played the conditions really well in the first half, and then we'd gone down to 10 men in the first half. We knew it was going to be tough coming out, but that performance second half was just, with 10 men, was excellent, really. To a man, everyone was brilliant, made ourselves hard to beat, and made us, as always, we're a threat going forward. So really good result, just gave us a little bit of daylight between us, so that was probably my favourite game so far this season. Sorry, Sean. Yeah, but I don't think I think about it. I think about what I can bring to the team. Whether I am or I'm not playing. Thankfully, I've been playing regularly, other than a couple of injuries. So it's not something that you kind of it crosses your mind at the time, but they're experiences that you've had and you learn from them along the way. So these are things that you kind of inadvertently will use, and some of the you will have learnt from previous experiences of winning the league, and it's tough, and you've got to, you're not always going to be at your best, and you've just got to know how to win and ways to win, and I think that's the crucial bit. It's about winning leagues, it's about consistency ultimately. So hopefully I have brought something to the team this season. It would be a mixture between. There's a few actually, to be honest with you. Tom at the back. Always dead slow when I played with him. Played against him, but he surprised me this season. Ryeds as well, never played with him, but always played against him. Didn't really realise how good he was until you're on his team, and he just does the simple things, but he does them well. He's effective, and then your obvious two, which are probably the players of the season so far, which is Spence. Just fantastic energy, commitment, will to win, professionalism. He's been fantastic for us and a big part of why we are where we are. And obviously Adam with his goals. Slowed down in recent weeks, as I always tell him, but he's always there, he's always in and around, he's there to miss him, and he's bagged some really important goals for this season. So been a few lads really who've surprised me, and yeah, so that's it. Can't just name one. I suppose again one of those things that when you play against CNS, they always have a lot of the ball, always. The lion's share. You're lucky if you touch it for a few minutes, and that was them in their absolute pomp, their heyday. And Spence was a big part of that. Just relentless up and down, plays high, presses teams in, and just sniffs out danger. He's been excellent, yeah, and a pleasure to play with. You always know, because I play on the right hand side of the defence, that he's always there to offer you something. He's always there to cover around, which is what I need. So no, he's been. I wouldn't say I didn't know it, but when you play with somebody of that quality, it's it's really good. yeah, really good. He's had a great season so far. Yeah, like I said before, Jay hasn't played many games, been injured. I like to tell him that as well. But you know, I've played with Jay for years at Carnarvon, and I know what he can bring to a team. It's not just hooking the balls down the channels, but you know, his commitment, his attitude. Again, I talk about professionalism. He has it in abundance, and he drives you on. He drives you on, and he's been there. He's done it. He's he's somebody who you want in your team. He does all the dirty work and sit in front of the defence and kind of like you said before, sniff out danger of the opposition. He does the right things in the right areas at the right times, and I think that's credit to Jay, and obviously, you know, he's a top lad as well, so that helps. I've played this season. I mean, the past couple of months has all been windy, rainy, horrible. So he is excellent. Yes, you know, playing at Airbus is, you know, it's obviously the great surface and everything about it. The facility's fantastic. Clubhouse is even better. So yeah, no, I can't really. It's a tough one, really. Yeah, not too sure. Probably say here. Yeah, Tomo. Yeah, Tomo. Skipper. He's funny. He's funny. His kind of relationship with the gaffer as well is really good. Bounce off each other, absolutely kill each other in the changing room. So yeah, Tomo is the joker. Jake Air likes to get involved. Yeah, so there's a couple, but you'd have to go with the skip. Cheers, Mum. I don't actually. You know, that's obviously very subjective, but ultimately, I suppose you learn to put less pressure on yourself and just enjoy it more than anything. You know that it's not going to last forever. Now more so than ever, and I enjoy it. I don't get myself as worked up for games as I used to. You know what you can bring to, know what your strengths are, know what you're good at. Don't try and overcomplicate things. Don't try and do things you don't normally do. And just learn to relax into games earlier and enjoy it. And I must admit, I've done ever since I've been here. Enjoyed it. Team's been doing really well. So, and don't put too much pressure on yourself. I think there are more things to worry about in football. So try and enjoy it as best you can. But very difficult when you step over the white line, and it's that competitive edge kicks in. You know, that wanting to win, wanting to pick 3 points up, wanting to progress up the league. So yeah, easier said than done sat here, but yeah, I enjoy it. I just enjoy it. I think the overall aim for me for the rest of the season is try and manage my fitness, manage any niggles that I've got that keep recurring, and just kick on and win the league. That's the main thing. I think the secret is just making sure we're well prepared. I'm well prepared, and we're taking each game bit by bit. I think that's the key.